This automation system can save companies and startups thousands of dollars and more than 20 plus hours per week for their employees. How? So whenever a startup or a company reaching out for their product to different companies, they need to send cold email or an icebreaker or one-liner to get a sales call. So whenever you are reaching out something, if your text is hyper personalized, then there is a high chance that there is a sales call. So what this system does is it scrapes all the information given on your prospect's about us page. So let's see that how this system works. So we have a domains. Let's say I have a sample 30 domain, and I'm going to scrape all the information which is given on their about us page. So let's say on the first domain we have this, we have 29 entries and all the information. Let me open fresh for you. Okay, so I'm clicking on about. So this is the information which is given on the about us page. Now if you're going to do it manually, it will take a lot of time. Since the data is more than thousands of domain, you have to write while scraping it, you have to do a lot more work if you're doing it manually. So let's run this automation, then I'm going to tell you that how this works. So I'm going to execute it. As you can see that it has started, and here you can see that it started giving us all the data. So Meatgate, Scotland and Ireland are home, and you can see that I'm going to match here 300 store across. So let's see that whether this information is given on this side or not. As we can see that this is the exact information which is given on the about us page. So all the information which is given on the about us page, so this automation can quickly within few seconds scrape all the information and feed it to the sheet. And from this you can use it however you want. You can write the one-liner, you can write this icebreaker or a hyper personalized email to send to these companies for your product. As you can see that there are different entries which are cells are empty. Why they are empty? Because these sites or these companies do not have any kind of about page. But no need to worry, we have also built another automation system which can scrape their front page and extract all the relevant information regarding them which is given on their front page. So that is a different automation system. Okay, so you can see that we have all the cream information available to us which we can use however we want. So how this system works, let me give you a walkthrough. So when you click here, it get all the information from the sheet. It is sending the data one by one here. It is taking the domains, and what it is doing is it is scraping the full website first. After scraping the full website, it is adding the about or about us page information, that URL, and that URL is again fed into this HTTP module, and it is going to extract all the information which is given on that page. But we need a clean information, so this module will clean all the information, and then it is going to save in this sheet. So this is how this automation works. You can scrape thousands of companies' data within few minutes. If you want this exact automation, you can reach out to us and DM me. I'll send you the exact JSON file to you so that you can just plug and start scraping.